I believe globally, I think you're seeing, like His Excellency Khalid Farah said, supply chain challenges persisting. No matter what, there isn't a country that doesn't rely on at least 25% of imports for its livelihood. Also, inflation is still, even despite going down, is still at a high at 6.6%. And overall, I think there is more pressure for companies, leaders, to put in action their efforts towards fighting climate change, which has been set aback in the last few years. I think the bright spot in that is Saudi Arabia's contribution through Saudi Green Initiative and the Middle East Green Initiative. A lot of challenges, but that doesn't mean that productivity and resilience and sustainability can't be tackled together. It's not this or that. I think it's all together, and the Fourth Industrial Revolution really demonstrates that. Out of the 123 lighthouses around the world, they've demonstrated that they were able to decrease lead time by 100%, increase cost efficiency by 92%, fight emissions or lower emissions by 97%, and improve productivity by almost 400%. So that gives us an opportunity to really focus more on the Fourth Industrial Revolution. On the challenges, there are a lot, including collaboration, but maybe the main challenge is the idea of scaling. Right now, 80% of the 123 efforts are stuck at 80% of global efforts in the Fourth Industrial Revolution are stuck in the pilot purgatory or the pilot pothole. This means we have an opportunity to invest more in terms of technology. Of course, $1 invested in digital over the last 30 years yields 6 or 7 times more GDP or economic impact than a dollar not invested in digital. So in 2021, we've seen almost 1.2 trillion invested in digital, 1.3% of global GDP, and we're going to witness 13 or 14% trillion over the next 7 years, all the way down to the end of 2030. How much of that investment is going to go into the Fourth Industrial Revolution? Of course, on the other hand, there are signs that facilities do not need big tech in order to become lighthouses, if you will. There is this no-code or low-code technology that is being more accessible, which means we have an opportunity to support innovators and entrepreneurs to provide smaller and medium-sized scale technology solutions to help these lighthouses grow and flourish. So I think focusing on investing in technology, focusing on supporting and enabling and empowering entrepreneurs and innovators, especially in a place like Saudi Arabia where the population is young and energetic and we can hear. I think the beehive that we're hearing, at the core of it is the Saudi youth. So I'll leave it at that.